Hello, Mr. Bicep here, and I'm just opening my package I got from Amazon. The box is upside down at the moment because the address is on the other side. I don't want any of you to be knocking on my door and telling me, Mr. Bicep, I saw your video and it stinks. Well, I don't want you to do that. And plus, I'll be saying my video, it doesn't stink because you can't smell it. And what I got now is a microphone, so you get better audio, not the smell. Also, I don't have any smell sensor on the camera, so it's all audio and video. Well, here it is, a small box inside a bigger box. Well, that's Amazon for you. Well, this one cost me about 30 quid, and that's about 2/3 of the price for a Rode microphone of the same specs. So I hope this is as good. Andycine AC-M1 compact on-camera shotgun microphone. It opens like a matchbox. It's quite difficult to open, actually. And loads of papers fell out. I hardly ever read them. I only read them if I have to. Okay, let's just open the box. Oh, let's see what's inside. Okay, looks like it's some sort of PVC kinky package here. Kinky PVC package. There's more stuff in the box. Let's see what's in the box first. Okay, there's a microphone holder. It's not really that strong. Looks like it's got a little hole underneath. Okay, piece of wire. Yeah, that connects to your camera. Another piece of wire, and this one's so you can connect it to your phone. And it's stretchy like those old telephone wires. And look, they give you a spare one in case if you break the first one. What if you break the second one as well? Then you need to 3D print yourself one. Some metal Allen key of some sort, and more instructions, more paper. Yeah, more paper. Alright, let's see. This Allen key, I'm sure is for this. Yep, so you can replace the holder, which doesn't seem to be very strong anyway. Okay, now let's just see what's in the kinky bag. The kinky PVC bag. Yep, let's see. Oh, that's nice. That's a very good looking bullet vibrator. I mean it's a microphone. It's actually a microphone. Yep, looks good looking. Yep, metal body, aluminum body, made in China. Let's see what's inside. Yep, looks good. Yep, looks like the Rode microphone. Hope it performs as well. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag. Oh look, it's a little fluffy thing. You put your finger in it. It warms your finger, it warms up your finger. It's a finger warm you up thing. We don't have to put your finger in there, you can put other parts of the body in it if you want. If you want to keep it nice and warm. Okay, that's all. That's everything that's in the box. Now I would say, I think it's time to test it now. Yeah, now you're actually hearing the sound off of my mobile phone. And now let me connect this in. Should be this one. Yep, this side goes in here, and the other side should go on the phone. So let me connect it to the phone. Okay, now it's connected to the phone. I'm not even sure if it's actually working. I'll soon find out after. So testing 1 2 3. On the back, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Oh yeah, and this mic can be attached to a tripod. It's got a hole underneath with some threads. And that's what I've done here on my old tripod. Okay, nunchucks. If you're right-handed, always practice with your right hand first. Then you can move into your left hand. But if you're left-handed, then you need to get yourself left-handed nunchucks. You'll keep it nice and warm. More videos coming soon. Like my heat kit, please subscribe and share.